is one of the most beautiful stages of a woman's life, and I personally feel that every woman who's pregnant should feel on top of the world for the life that is coming in her own womb. She should be feeling on top of the world. Why a pregnant woman has to rush to a hospital? Why there is an emergency and immediate care is required? These are the questions, the list of answers, and everything is there as we organize this event called the ANC event by Motherhood on 29th of June at Novotel. We invite you all to be there to get your answers being done and to give you a wonderful pregnancy and the days with your pregnancy. Thank you.